Let's draw a spotted hyena. Its Latin name, Crocuta crocuta, means an unknown wild animal of Ethiopia. Their superpower is having one of the most powerful bites of any mammal. They can chew and digest the skin and bones of other animals. They make a variety of sounds, from whoops to yells and a human-like laugh, which is how they got their nickname, laughing hyenas. Let's start by drawing the head. Add some ears, draw in some eyes. Don't forget to fill in the dots. There we go. Now let's do a nose and mouth with a nice smile. Add some hair to the head. There we go. All the way down to one leg. All the way around. Add the belly. Now let's add a second leg. Time to do the back legs, just like the front legs. One, then the other. All the way down to make the back. Take your time. Don't forget the tail. Add some fur all the way down the back. And what's a spotted hyena without some spots? As many as you like. Well done!